Welcome back, everyone. A volcano in Iceland is still putting on a spectacular show, but one spectator made an expensive mistake by getting too close. CBS's Ian Lee has the story and the incredible video.
It's a bird's eye view of Iceland's latest volcano. A drone navigates a river of lava, but like Icarus, Chicago YouTuber Joey Helms got too close.
Now, around the volcano where you have the hot gases emitted that cause turbulences all around it and hot rocks raining onto you, flying these things is even more tricky.
He sacrificed his new drone to the lava, but this was the payoff, watching the raw power of Mother Nature. The last time this volcano spewed lava 800 years ago, not too many people were around to see it. This time, thousands of spectators have witnessed these red-hot rocks. Scientists in Iceland have been tracking what they call a tourist eruption for months. Scientist Sarah Barsodi studies the dangers of getting too close.
And we are having an eruption in a place that is easily reachable by people. So as long as the eruption will keep at this rate and at this level, again, this really might be a long-lasting, enjoyable eruption.
Scientists recently discovered unmapped pockets of magma, meaning more tourists could enjoy more eruptions. But take it from Joey Helms, flying too close could cost you. Ian Lee, CBS News, London.